let's fucking go, please.
I know how cool it sounds down there to hear the bikes. I've been down there and had homies go by. Gixxers don't sound cool though.
You can eat my ass.
Squid missiles, on the other hand.
That was a good ball. That one fucking clapped with some nutsack, bro.
Dude, I almost hit you right now. Nice dress.
Well, there's a little girl that was standing over there. I didn't want her to...
Leave it up to Ryan to slow down and almost get hit to check out a chick in a dress.
You know what? It's a good thing, okay?
There's so many cars.
They're not cars, they're objects. They're obstacles, sorry.
These poor bikes are gonna be so deaf.
Bro, they're gonna get fucking max passed. Oh, nope, not over that bump. Oh, God.
I don't know what was skinnier, that girl or the back tire of that bike. Hi. People like waving, even if you're loud. I bet she's seen girl bikers and got a little excited.
What?
She's like, oh, they have a female class.
They have a female class. That right there is a feminazi.
Ooh, you know where probably has food? Is the chimney tree.
The only way I'll eat their food is I guarantee it does what the expression does to me.
I'll feed it to you like a bird. Oh shit.
Cars, she's turning. 454 Motorsports, bro. I don't think they do those anymore. I think you're false advertising here. It just got so warm when we slowed down.
I know.
Let me go. It says 55 is the speed limit. You. I mean, Agues are from Arizona?
Yeah, you should have pulled over and let us by real quick.
Nah, bro. Quit that. This is what it sounds like.
Is that a Gixxer horn?
Yeah.
God, why does it sound so feminine?
Why does it sound more manly than the CBR? What are you talking about? Fucking Roadrunner ass having horns. Look at this guy. I'm gonna record out the window while I drive. You're fucking idiot. I wanna
Be cool. Do something cool.
Should I slap his phone out of his hand?
No. Is it a water bottle or is it a phone?
It's a phone.
Do a wheelie.
No, no wheelie for you. I remember my first wheelie.
No, you don't. You've done so many that you completely, holy Caltrans truck. I was ready to get busy.
Going like, okay.
Hi, friend. My friend. God, this road sucks.
There's so many cars right now, bro. We're in like tourist